Today I want to talk about the sub-start emergency selector keys and some other related topics. Hello friends, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video from Hamoun Zashid with Electroshy. Today I want to talk about the sub-start emergency selector keys and some other related topics. In this video you can also see a number of these keys. Well, the first key is the stop key, or NC, which means normally closed. I've also drawn its shape for you in the diagram so that later when you see it in circuits you'll know what the stop looks like. The next one is the start. Its shape is also drawn for you in the diagram. It is normally open. What does it mean for something to be normally open or closed? Well, the stop key is normally closed, meaning it allows current to pass through in its default state. When power is applied, its contact closes. The selector switch is used for giving commands. There are two types: spring return, momentary, and maintained latching. In the spring return type, when you give a command, it returns to its original position. But in the maintained type, when you activate it, it stays in that position until you decide to change it back. Both types come in two position, 0 and 1, or three position, 1, 0, 2 versions. Now, what do 0 and 1 mean? What are 1, 0, and 2? One of them is on, one is off, and the other one stays in between on and off. For all models, there are 2-state and 3-state options. The next point, now, before I get to emergency, let me explain their shapes to you as well and how it looks in the oil type. Then I'll talk about the overall emergency or the main switch. Mushroom type. What is a mushroom main switch? It comes in a lockable form. It also comes in a simple form. As the name suggests, the lockable type locks when you activate it, and depending on the material, for example, these are rotary types. You have to do something to unlock it, or in the simple type, it returns with a spring and doesn't stay in that position. Its shape is like this. When is an emergency switch used? An emergency switch is a safety switch for giving quick commands. If we want to disconnect the circuit, we use the emergency switch. The emergency switch is the same as the safety switch. Its color is red and it's also large so that it's easily visible and can be used in emergency situations. This switch that you see here is a double start-stop switch, meaning it has both no, normally open, and NC, normally closed contacts at the same time. If you look here, you can see the contacts related to the NC and no. The brand is Chint and its code is written on the product itself. Now this one is the Parsphenol brand. Let's take a closer look together. The switch and its code and specifications are inside. This switch that you see here, let me bring it closer, is a selector switch. This is the regular simple type and this is the switch type where you can put switches on it. Next we have the Chint brand, and this one is the ISPS brand. Many brands have selector switches like Chint, ISPS, Parsphenol, other miscellaneous brands, Kave and others. They all produce these switches. Well, I think I've fully explained everything you needed to know about these switches and taught you about them. I hope it's been useful for you and that you can make use of it. Be sure to check out our next video as well.